Hello, PCBWay customer. You want to view your Gerbers and the production file isn't correct and they have modified your file. I'm going to show you how to look at your file. What they did for me is they put these holes here, which made my life easier. They did that just to help me out, but I couldn't view the file. So here's how to do it. So you go to this URL. The URL is here, PCBWay Gerber viewer. So what you do is you go to plus, and I'm going to take a zipped file. So I'm going to add a new file. I'm going to take this zip file that I have. I'm dragging this zip file just on top of the screen. It's going to add the file. I'm now going to click the gear, and I'm going to define each one of the layers. The layers are the Gerber layers. Here are the defines, GTL, GBM. They don't use exactly this format, but so 2RL is a drill. It's a secondary drill file. BL is bottom copper. BL is copper bottom, and BO is bottom silkscreen. Bottom silkscreen bottom. BS is bottom solder mask. Bottom solder mask. Solder mask bottom. And when you view a Gerber to validate that things are DRL is drill, should be drill. It doesn't matter which one it is. KO. KO is a mystery. Nobody knows what KO is. Oh, GKO is the mechanical layer. So it's going to be the board outline. KO is the board outline. And TL is top copper. Copper top. TO is top silkscreen. Silkscreen top, and TS is top solder mask. Solder mask top. Now once you have it, slide up to the top and say for demo for customers. And then you click this, the green, and here is your file. Down here at the bottom, courtesy of, we have Mike Cousins has written this for them. You can look at your file. You look at the layers. You can verify that everything looks good. And the bottom, and they flip it on the bottom. And Mike, if you can have a way to not flip it, that'd be kind of cool. But that's good. And layers is not flip. So that is it, and have fun, and thanks PCBWay for your fast service, and thanks for helping us make boards look very nice by adding this for me, because I didn't know how to do that. Thanks a million. Bye-bye.